Once upon a time, at the edge of a deep green forest, lived a very wise person. Even though this wise person could not see with their eyes, their hands were like magic. They could feel the softest breeze and understand the secrets of the trees. Most of all, they knew every animal in the forest. By gently touching a creature's fur or its tiny paws, they could tell you if it was a hop-hop-hopping rabbit or a busy bushy-tailed squirrel. One sunny afternoon, a young traveler came running out of the woods. He was holding something small and fluffy in his arms. The little creature was making tiny whimper-whimper sounds, and its eyes were still tightly closed. The traveler wanted to play a little game. He walked up to the wise person and placed the small animal into their warm palms. "Everyone says you are the cleverest person in the land," the traveler said with a grin. "Tell me, what animal am I holding?" The wise person smiled and began to move their fingers very slowly. First, they felt the creature's ears. They were small and a bit pointy. Then they felt its long, slender body and its soft, fuzzy tail. Finally, they gently felt the creature's mouth, where tiny, sharp teeth were just starting to grow. The wise person's face became very still. They seemed to be thinking very, very hard. A group of children gathered around, whispering in excitement. "Is it a puppy?" one asked. "Is it a baby fox?" asked another. "It looks so sweet and cuddly." The wise person slowly looked up and spoke in a calm, steady voice. "My dear children, this little one is still very young. It is hard to say for certain if it will grow up to be a sneaky fox or a fierce, howling wolf." The wise person paused, letting the silence hang in the air for a moment before adding, "But I do know one thing for sure. No matter what it is, it would be very, very dangerous to let a creature with teeth like these anywhere near a flock of sheep." The young traveler's jaw dropped in surprise. He hadn't told anyone, but he had found that little animal right outside a wolf's den. And so we learn a very important lesson. Our true nature and our habits often show through even when we are very small. Just as the wolf cub's sharp teeth showed what it would become, the things we do every day, like being kind, being honest, and working hard, become a part of who we are. Remember, the good habits you practice today will grow into the wonderful person you will be tomorrow.